starting a fitness journey can be exciting and rewarding. Here are some easy workouts for beginners to kickstart your health journey. Walking. Walking is a simple and accessible exercise that can be done almost anywhere. Start by incorporating brisk walks into your daily routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. You can gradually increase your pace or distance as you progress. Jogging. Running. If you're comfortable with walking, you can transition to jogging or running. Start with short intervals of jogging or running mixed with walking. As your fitness improves, increase the duration of your jogging intervals and reduce the walking intervals. Bodyweight exercises. Bodyweight exercises are great for building strength and improving overall fitness. Some beginner-friendly exercises include squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body as if sitting back into a chair, then return to the starting position. Push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Lower your body until your chest is close to the floor, then push back up. Lunges. Take a step forward with one leg, lowering your body until both knees are at a 90-degree angle. Push back up and repeat with the other leg. Plank. Start in a push-up position, then lower yourself onto your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line, engage your core, and hold the position for as long as you can. Yoga or Pilates. Yoga and Pilates are excellent for improving flexibility, balance, and core strength. Look for beginner-level classes or videos that focus on foundational poses and movements. These exercises can also help with relaxation and stress reduction. Cycling. Cycling is a low-impact exercise that is gentle on the joints. You can start with stationary bikes or outdoor cycling. Begin with shorter rides and gradually increase the duration and intensity as your fitness improves. Remember to warm up before each workout with dynamic stretches and cool down afterward with static stretches to prevent injury and aid in recovery. Listen to your body and progress at a pace that feels comfortable for you. As you become more comfortable with these exercises, you can explore other activities and gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. If you have any underlying health concerns or injuries, consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new exercise program. They can provide personalized recommendations and guidance based on your specific needs and goals.